to check your transaction history on GTE Financial, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the GTE Financial website and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, look for the Account Summary section on the dashboard. This section provides an overview of your accounts and balances. Step 3. Select the account. Choose a specific account for which you want to view the transaction history. Click on the account name to open its details. Step 4. View transaction history. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Filter and export transactions. If needed, use the filtering options to narrow down your search by date or transaction type. You may also have the option to export your transaction history for personal records. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on GTE Financial. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.